Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri course. Friends, Amity Future Academy is offering us 25 free online courses with certificate. Watch the full videos and download the certificate for free. Click on the link given in the description box. After clicking on the link given in the description box, you have to register and sign in to the Amity Future Academy. Later on, the courses will be shown. Here are the list of the courses which are free and for which you will get the free certificate also. For those courses where star mark is given on the top of free, they charge money for giving the certificate. You can learn the course for free, but the certificate will not be provided for free. You have to pay. So now let's see the free courses for which we will get the free certificate also. I'll show you for the course Search Engine Optimization. Click on the course. Now I'll show you how to collect the free certificate for this course as an example. Now I have enrolled for the Search Engine Optimization course. You'll be having the overview of the course here. Then click on the first topic. After clicking on the topic, you'll be getting some of the notes and a video also. For information, you can watch the video and then click on the next topic, which is given in the bottom of the page. That is topic 1.2, how SEO works. Click on that link. Then the next one will be opened. If you want to learn the subject, read the subject and watch the video. Otherwise, click on the links given at the bottom. The same procedure should be done till the completion of all the topics. Later on, you will be having the quiz. Before you get the certificate, you have to fill the quiz and you also have to fill the feedback form. I'll show you how to fill the quiz. After the completion of 6 modules, you will be having the link of quiz at the bottom. Click on that link and you will be given the 2 attempts. The highest grade will be given in the certificate. So attempt the quiz, don't worry even if your first attempt is wrong. I'll show you how to fill the quiz. Fill it in a similar way for all the questions. After finishing the review, reattempt the quiz once again. You have to take the quiz 2 times and the final grade will be your best attempt. After reattempting the quiz, the score will be given and then at the bottom of the page, you will be having the link of back to the course. Click on back to the course. Then select all those mark all those topics as you have completed them. After marking all those, then fill the feedback form. Answer the questions. After filling, now you will get the option of download certificate. Download your certificate.